Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for checking back in. I've got something pretty fun tonight. We'll do it in in two separate videos. This is going to be just an unboxing and a showing. I'll keep it short. But if you check out what I have over here, down below, I've been waiting for this for a while. This is the Naniwa 600 grit diamond sharpening stone. Oh, wait. Not just the 600, but the 1000 also. And not just the 1000, but the 3000 as well. All three of these I've been waiting weeks for these to come in, and they finally arrived. So let's take a look at each one, the 600 being the first. I have not looked at these yet, so these are fresh stones right out of the box. And each one, okay, it's got this little sticker on it. So it looks like we've got a solid metal plate here. The diamond resin coating is probably about 1 mil thick. And then it's got this sticker that I'm trying to peel off here. We'll worry about that later. But this is the 600 grit. It looks super cool, super uniform. So it's not like the Atomas where it's patches of diamonds here or like a DMT plate. This is fully uniform. And then it also comes with its own like Nagura stone of the same color. So this just there's a piece of tape here. This we can open up. And this here is used, so it's about the same grit, and you use this wet. It's a splash and go stone, and to build up a slurry. So that's the 600. We've got the 1000 over here. There's the 1000, same thing, looks super uniform. Yeah, I'd say it's about 1 mil thick, and then a nice, super heavy duty, flat weighted plate. And again, another Nagura stone, or not flattening stone, but I'd call it a Nagura stone. And then finally, let's take a peek at the 6000. And here's the 6000, or sorry, the 3000. This is the 3000 stone. I do have the 6000 stone coming. And again, same thing, probably 1 mil thick, but very uniform. You can tell by the color differentiation, the grit. And it looks like the same stone across all three. So I'm going to open this up just to show you that it looks like they give you the same stone regardless of the grit. So it looks like these two are identical looking to me, and they feel the same. They feel grittier than the surfaces of each of these stones. So, which is to be expected. So, if you've got these, let me know what you think of them. And yeah, I'm super excited to get these out and working them on my knives. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone that you might like, or that will like this content. Thanks so much. Dan for all out.